Hello everybody. We are going to start to build our vocabulary. Now how do we build vocabulary? Naturally, we need word formations. So let's see how we can manage this. Word formations refer to the creation and construction of words through various processes such as affixation, compounding, conversion and derivation. Why is it important to build your vocabulary? Let's take an example. Let's say the word light. Light, can you please turn on the light? Or Resmi has light brown hair. Or I'm going to light the fire. Here light is used as a noun, it is used as an adjective, it is also used as a verb. So how do we build this sort of vocabulary? The only way to build this is, the first one is affixation. Affixation, you have prefix and suffix. What is prefix? Prefix are words added to the beginning of a word, and suffix is a word added to the end of the word. In prefix you have un, undo or unhappy, and in suffix you have tion, celebration or hesitation. Now you have to try these other words. You can make these prefixes and suffixes, and of course you will have a lot of word in your vocabulary and you will be able to build more sentences. So thank you once again, and till next time, bye.